Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to another video and welcome back to another stuffing cash envelopes and budgeting. So today we are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes. We are going to be doing our bills. We are going to try to do a zero-based budget. So I am super excited about this week. It wasn't the best paycheck, but I'm always excited to stuff my envelopes, to stuff my sinking funds and everything, which will be in another video. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below if you enjoy these kind of videos, because I absolutely love watching these videos. Let me know if you also do budgeting, and I will go and check y'all's videos out. I am more than happy to go and subscribe to y'all's channel, support y'all in any way that I can possibly can. But without further ado, we're just going to get straight into it so we don't have to waste any time. So on paycheck number 1, now this paycheck is literally me working only a week with no call, no overtime, and I had to use 40 hours of my paid time off. So this was like the low of the low for my paychecks. And it was $1,107. It's not the best. It's one of my lowest months since January, but it's fine. We're going to push through and we're still going to have a great 2 weeks before we get paid again. Now, moving on to my bills, rent. So since we renewed, our rent went up, I want to say maybe $30. So instead of doing $282 that I usually do on my first paycheck, we are going to do $290. That usually comes out on the 1st. So we are saving up for September. And I do my bills in 2 separate paychecks because it's just easier for me. I can save a lot more money, so I don't have to take $500 out of one paycheck. It just works really, really good for me. All right, so car is usually $498, so we're going to do $248. The reason why it's so high is because I do have a lifetime warranty up to 100,000 miles, and that helps with me getting my oil change, tire rotations, fluid filters, all that stuff, and I get it for free. So that is why it is so high. Insurance, I am paying my mom insurance again, so it is usually $145, but we are going to do $73. Let me put some money signs right there. All right, phone, I'm not sure how much it is going to be this month. It's supposed to be our lowest month since we upgraded in May, and then June and July is supposed to be our highest one, and then August is supposed to be our lowest one because we had like credit or something. But for right now, we are going to do $50. Student loans is $127. So we are going to put $64. Credit card, I am trying to pay off the credit card, but I'm actually trying to pay off one of the student loans because I have like student loan A, B, C, and D, and I'm trying to knock off one of the lowest ones before because it has the lowest interest rate. So credit card is going to get the minimum. It's usually about $82, so we are going to do, or $84, so we're going to do $42. Light bill, we just paid it on the 5th, so we are not going to put anything in that. Gym is $35, we're going to put $17. And MediaCom is $70. We're going to do, it's $35 each, so it's $17 that we're going to put in. So that is everything. We're going to just run through it real quick again. Rent is $290. Car is $248. Insurance is $73. Phone is $50. Student loans is $64. Credit card is $42. Nothing for light bill. Gym is $17 and MediaCom is $17. Now, let's move along with my crappy calculator that I need to upgrade on. 290, 248, 73, 50, 64, 42, 17, and 17 equals $801. So we are going to subtract $1,107 and bring it and subtract $801 to it. So $1,107 minus 801 will equals to $306. So with that $306, I have to manage my cash envelope, which is my food, gas, out to eat, and fun money. Then I have to do my cushion, and then we'll see how much I will have left after sinking funds. Now, the sinking funds will probably increase because I believe I do have some money from my cash envelopes, from my food, and from my gas that I did not spend in 2 weeks. Half of that is going to go towards debt, and half of that is going to go towards my sinking funds. So that is how I am going to be tackling debt, is using the money that I did not use in cash envelopes, cutting that in half, and splitting it between my debt and my sinking funds. All right, so I'm going to move the calculator away, and we are going to actually flip to the check-in, which is, let's see, right here. All right, so if you have not seen my weekly check-in, it is up already. And just to let y'all know, we did do the last week of July and the first week of August. So this is what we have right now. And then with the bank, going to the bank and everything, I have my little sticky note that we are going to be doing. All right, so food will be $100, gas is going to be $60, fun money is $40, and then my cushion is $41. Now, as you can see, I did not add out to eat. So the last couple of paychecks, we have not been out to eat, which has saved us a lot of money. So in August, we are going to try not to spend any money out to eat. Well, I'm not going to spend anything. Jared, on the other hand, can do whatever he wants with his money, as long as he's saving some stuff. But for me, I'm not paying anything out of pocket out to eat. I'm going to see how much I actually save. So it's usually $40, so I'll be saving $80 a month. We shall see. All right, so going to go to the bank. And we are going to get, let's see, 50s, 20s, 10, 5s, and 1s. All right, food's going to be $100, so we're going to, gas is going to be $60, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, so 3 20s. Fun money will be $40, so it'll be another 2 20s marked off. And then cushion is going to be staying into my debit card, so that is going to pay for like my Netflix, Amazon Prime, anything like that. So we are going to add food, gas, and fun money to make sure we have everything that is going to total together. $200. All right, so 50 and 50, that's 100. And then 5, so 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So that's 10, so that is $200. So we're going to get 2 and 5 equals $200. All right, so switching around, we're going to go back to our income and our bills. All right, so we're going to subtract $1,107 minus $801, and then we're going to minus $200 and see how much money we have left for sinking funds. Minus 801 equals 306 minus 200 equals 106. So we will have $106 left over for sinking funds. Now, I can work with it. I really can. So we are going to figure that out. Oh, I made a mistake. $106 minus the $41 that I'm going to put into cushions. So we have $65 for sinking. And that is actually going to be on a different video, so make sure you go and check that out. It should be up on Saturday. It should already be up if you are already watching this. Don't know. This might come up on Friday or Saturday. It depends because I'm working a 12-hour shift. But, so we have $65 to work with for sinking funds. And like I said, it's going to be a different video. And also, like I said, it will probably increase because I did have some leftover money from my cash envelopes. So we're going to run to the bank. We're going to get $200 out in cash, and then we are going to stuff our envelopes. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Alright, you guys, so I am back from the bank, and I had to get my money out for the cash envelopes. Now, just a reminder, we are using the Erin Condren binder, the 8.5 by 11. Absolutely love it. Link will be down below if you want to get your own Erin Condren. I got some cash out, and then this little blue envelope is my envelope system. Is from the Dave Ramsey website. I got it for free because I am a member and everything. It's like a yearly member. It was like $145, and I got a free book. I got this wallet. I can go and do a free class that's like 9 weeks long, and then you have access to like the community where you can talk to people and everything else. But let's get started. All right, so for groceries, we're going to be doing $100. All right, and let's see how much I have left. $25. So we're going to put 100 to 250s. All right. And then for gas, we're going to do 60. And I do have money 20, 25, 30. All right. And then if you hear in the background, then that is Jared. So 240, 60 for gas. And then fun money is $40. And all I have is some coins, but $40 for that. All right, and then out to eat, I'm trying to do the 2 weeks of not eating out like I did in my last check-in, and I did pretty good, so I'm going to try not to do any eating out. Sinking funds is technically it's just going to come out of my sinking fund, my envelopes and everything. And then cushion, I have $41 in my cushion, which if you are new, cushion means that it is on my debit card. So that is anything that I buy like off of Amazon. It covers my Netflix. It covers my Prime membership. So that is what my cushion is for. But yeah, you guys, so that is everything for this video. I hope y'all enjoy this weekly budget and stuffing my cash envelopes. And make sure you subscribe down below. Let me know if you do similar videos like me, and I will go and check your videos out and support you. Absolutely love supporting and just getting to know y'all in general. But anyways, I will see you guys later, and next time you see me will be stuffing my sinking fund, so stay tuned for that. Bye, you guys.